Welcome dear students to another very interesting topic of designing footprints in our footprint editor using KiCad. So today we are going to draw footprint for our OS series miniature slide series. Let me show you the data sheet. This is OS series miniature slide switches for which we are going to design our footprint. As you can check in your KiCad footprint library that there are no footprint available for these switches. So it has a you can see the specification over here, like it has contactor resistance of 20 milliohm and it has an insulation of 100 mega ohm minimum at 500 volt DC. So it has a dielectric strength of 500 volt AC for 1 minute, and its operating temperature is minus 30 degrees plus 70 degrees Celsius. So we are going to use this miniature slide switch in our project. So we need a footprint for this. You can scroll down to see over here that this is single pole double throw switch, and the PCB mounting and its dimensions are given over here, and different view. This is the top view. This is the footprint for this single pole double throw. This is the side view. This is another side view. Similarly, if you scroll down, you can find this is single pole 3-throw switch. Let's move down. This is double pole double throw, and this is double pole 3-throw switch. So for our learning purpose, for designing the footprint and knowing how to create a footprint in our footprint editor in KiCad, we are going to use this double pole double throw switch whose part number is this one, and the dimensions for the footprint are given over here, which have mounting holes of the switch which are 1.5 mm in diameter, and the pin spacing between the two pins is about 2 mm. So these dimensions which are given over here in the PCB mounting diagram will be used while designing our footprint in the PCB editor. So we have to consult these dimensions throughout our designing the footprint editor for this double pole double throw switch. So first of all, let's launch our KiCad. Double click the KiCad. Now you can see over here, this is the main interface of KiCad. So we have already done about the schematic editor, studied about the symbol editor. We have also designed symbol in symbol editor, and we have also designed PCB in PCB editor. Now it's the time to design footprint. So for designing footprint, we will be using footprint editor. So click over here, and this will launch the footprint editor of KiCad. When you launch it for the first time, it takes a little time to load, so it will be loading just in a while. Meanwhile, let's scroll down further to see what else we have of this miniature switches. You can see over here double pole double throw, double pole 3-throw switch, and this is again double pole double throw switch, but it has different dimensions. So this is double pole triple throw, but today we are going to design footprint for this one switch double pole double throw. I hope the footprint editor has launched. So this is the footprint editor of our KiCad. So on the left side you can see libraries. These are all the libraries that are already present in the KiCad. You can scroll down over here to see all the libraries. On the top is the tabs for file like new, creating, add library, new footprint, create footprint, all this stuff we will be using while designing the footprint. On the right side under appearance you can see these are all the layers that we will be also using in designing our footprint. So over here are the layer display options. These are given normal, dim, hide. So let me keep this to normal. And under appearance we have objects like track, vias, pads, zones. We will see while we will be doing our footprint design. So in the next video we will be starting our designing footprint in this footprint editor.